Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15T. In this video I'll show you how to insert SIM or SD card. In the beginning, prepare SIM card tray opener. Let me remove the case. And the SIM card tray is located right here on the bottom of the smartphone. Open it. And as you can see, this SIM card tray has two SIM card slots, one on the top and one on the bottom. To insert it, place the SIM card like this, always with the chip outside the tray. And next, insert it back. Unfortunately, this smartphone does not have SD card slot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.